We just tackled deep cleaning the dryer. Worked out great. We even tested it. Now we're gonna deep clean the dryer vent, because this vent I know has not been cleaned in about a year. The dryer was smoking, and you know what? We fixed that, but now it's time to clean this dryer vent. So we're gonna detach this. Now the tricky part is inside the wall, it's about 20 feet long. It goes all the way across and then attaches to our bathroom fan and then goes outside. Every piece of this ducting needs to get cleaned, whether it's inside the dryer, in the wall, the ducting that hooks the dryer to the wall. Everything needs to get cleaned. And boy, let me tell you, there was a lot. The dryer vent cleaning kit came with a lot of different heads. There was a thinner, longer one that didn't quite get everything out. And then we tried the wide bristle brush that fits the entire pipe, and it worked like a charm. Even though we had just barely cleaned the dryer, I still wanted to brush out the exhaust outlet. And would you believe it? There was still a ton of lint in there. The trick to feeding the brush through the vent is slow, steady movement. Keep constant pressure on the trigger of the drill and slowly guide it in with your other hand. This project was extra tricky for us because our bathroom fan and our dryer vent come out the same outlet. I turned on the bathroom fan to create some air pressure away from the bathroom. The ducting doesn't create a straight shot down to the dryer. The straight shot goes into the bathroom, so I cleaned as much of it as I could from outside.
Okay, so right now we are removing the drill bit.
Trying to.
And we're going to extend this thing.
Finally broke free. The problem is you're always spinning clockwise, tightening, and so suddenly it's on there really tight and you're trying to untighten it. It doesn't work.
You do have to remember to go really slow because you don't want these to break off in there. And most of these we have both put together and taped with electrical tape. So that they don't come undone in there. So, I'm gonna put them in right there, and then, oh, hang on. We paused the airflow for a sec. I'm gonna just vacuum up the mess that came out, even though we're vacuuming as we go.
Overall, good airflow, right?
Good airflow. Yeah. Very good airflow.
This is what it looks like. Nice and clean.
Okay, so probably because we have that on it. That's great.
You want to blow just to see what it'll do?
I can. This is a very strange setup. Very strange.
2 out of 10. Wouldn't recommend. Okay. We're not going anywhere. No, it just comes out like that. That is on there.
Whoa. That's quite a bit. That is a lot.
Man, oh man.
Holy cow.
I didn't realize how gross this was.
So much lint. And that's why you vacuum it out too.
If you just do the brush, then all this crap is still in there.
Yeah, but if you vacuum it too, it helps suck it out. That is crazy how much there is.
That's a lot. Oh!